Dear friends, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Good morning. Hope you're all staying safe and keeping well. I sincerely thank all of you who have subscribed to this channel and follow the channel. If you find the contents of the videos uploaded in this channel useful, please subscribe to this channel and click the notification or the bell icon so that you can be notified when a video is uploaded. Kindly share the videos with others around the internet. In the last episode of Know Your Mind segment, we elaborated on the fourth type of learning style, namely the kinesthetic learning style. In this episode, we analyze the fifth type of learning style, namely the logical learning style. Nature of logical learning style. Logical learning style, also known as mathematical learning style and analytical learning style, is a learning style that uses rational and ordered method to process information. It is characterized by methodical and systematic approach to learning. Logical learners have a mathematical brain. They depend on logic and analytical skills to understand a particular subject. They search for connections, causes, forms, and results in their learning. As a result, they relish the challenge of solving puzzles, playing strategy games, and figuring out complicated problems. They enjoy receiving instructions and following rules to complete their tasks. The logical nature of these learners makes it easy for them to recognize patterns, to connect concepts, to find relationships, to think abstractly, to analyze problems, to conduct mathematical operations, to work with numbers, and to execute scientific investigations. For example, logical learners can identify the relationship between two or more items and analyze how one aspect affects the other. Because logical learners prefer an ordered approach to things, in order to understand ideas, they prefer to group them into categories. Besides, by nature, logical learners tend to be organized individuals who categorize tasks and information. Strengths of logical learners. We briefly consider some of the strengths of persons who use logical learning style. Logical learners are detailed planners and organizers, and they thrive on structure, order, and on environments where information is systematically presented using outlines, flowcharts, or diagrams. They possess great problem-solving prowess as they excel in dissecting problems, identifying patterns, and finding solutions using step-by-step approach. Logical learners understand and create abstract symbolic representations such as formulas and algorithms. They are scientific in their thinking and are inclined to inquire and experiment so as to understand how and why of things. They are highly investigative and curious, seek out patterns and connections, and enjoy playing strategy-based games that allow them to apply logic and reasoning. Logical learners are highly goal-oriented as they set clear objectives and work systematically towards achieving their goals. They seek out rules and procedures which can give a structured framework and help them navigate in their learning process. Logical learners excel in factual and organized writing. However, they may struggle with writing creatively. Similarly, being analytical, logical learners tend to focus on details and specifics, while they may have difficulty seeing the big picture. With the above stated strength, logical learners can excel in careers and professions such as accountancy, bookkeeping, chemical engineering, computer programming, database designing, electronic engineering, financial consultancy, mathematics, mechanical engineering, network analytics, statistics, and system analytics. Strategies for logical learners. Specific strategies logical learners can use to learn new information include: first, spending time on creative hobbies. Creative outlets like drawing, painting, writing, and playing music can stimulate logical thinking, cultivate deeper concentration, reduce stress, and develop your creative mind, making it more productive, thereby bolster both your personal and professional life. Second, practical questioning. Regular practice of asking questions help you as a logical learner to view situations more completely, to approach problems at work more logically and creatively, and to explore further into topics and discover what you had not considered before. By creating a list of questions regarding any issue you face in life or at work and attempting to find answers to them, you as a logical learner can easily find solutions to them. Third, socialize with others. Building relationship with others can help you as a logical learner to broaden your perspective, to know people better and understand their points of view, and to approach problems at work in a different way, leading to greater advancement in your career. Fourth, learning a new skill. The experience of learning a new skill can help you to sharpen your logical skills, to provide you the opportunity to learn as often as possible, to apply the same level of thinking to your job, and to cultivate the mindset of thoughtfully approaching problems at work, thereby lead you to advance in your career. Fifth, anticipating the outcome of your plans or decisions. When working to strengthen your logical and thinking skills, you tend to consider the future impact of your decisions and pay closer attention to results of your decisions. This anticipatory process facilitates you to come up with solutions to problems at work, as you are able to have certain knowledge of the immediate and long-term results of your decisions. This logical ability of anticipating results of your decisions can be strengthened with daily practice, thereby help you naturally approach everyday decisions with a more logical perspective. Tips for working with logical learners. Here are a few tips that can improve your efficiency and communication if you are engaging or working with logical learners as a teacher or mentor. First, when giving assignments, provide logical learners a clear structure, rules and procedures with instruction on how you want them to complete a task. You can also incorporate goals to keep them on track. Second, logical learners appreciate facts and figures, and so provide a bulleted list of most pertinent information rather than a block of text. Third, when covering large topic or idea, encourage logical learners to break down information into separate categories and manageable chunks, using visual aids such as outlines, charts, flowcharts, or diagrams. Fourth, you can help logical learners make sense of complex or abstract topics by incorporating systems demonstrating how different parts interact or identifying patterns. Fifth, give logical learners problem-solving exercises such as brain teasers, Sudoku, and strategic games to stimulate their thinking process and help them build skills. Let them work independently to solve the problem themselves without relying on you or others for help. Sixth, encourage hypothetical thinking by posing what-if scenarios to stimulate critical thinking abilities. Logical learners often enjoy exploring potential outcome of various scenarios. Seventh, incorporating real life applications in teaching. You can do this by showing logical learners practical applications of theoretical concepts. For instance, you can demonstrate how algebraic formulas are used in real world scenarios. This can be immensely beneficial to them. Directing and guiding the logical learners to use some of the above mentioned strategies, you as a teacher can provide for them a supportive environment that would foster their strengths and help them thrive academically and to make right career options. In the next episode, we will take up for our study the sixth learning style, namely social learning style. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.